What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed's Love of Cars. I know it's been a while since I did a video, and this one is probably going to be a little bit short. It's just going to be an unboxing of something that I bought offline, a modification for the Foxbody. And this is it right here. Bada bing, bada bang. I don't know if you can tell by the size of it what it might be, but this is it. So this modification actually goes in connection with another modification that I haven't told you about. The other modification, I'll go ahead and tell you about it, was I bought this eBay EGR spacer plate that has a 1/16 tap in it for my nitrous nozzle. So basically I'll be spraying the nitrous after the throttle body. Now the problem I may run into, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use it yet, is I'm not giving the nitrous and fuel enough time to atomize before it goes into the intake manifold runners or whatnot. So I don't know, I'm kind of still up in the air about that. I may try it out just to see, may not leave it. So before I chop up this modification, which you will see in just a second, I want to get that to work. But now I got parts that are still coming in because, well, that's a whole nother story. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what this modification is. It is an eBay cold air intake. So this is what we got. This is the first piece. Yes, it's pipe. Now the thing about this pipe that's different than my other intakes is this is a 3-inch pipe. So I think the other intakes starts out at like maybe a 2-inch and barely increase after that. This one starts out as a 3-inch, and I think it goes, the other part goes out into a 3.5. So this should help with the airflow. Okay, what is this? This is a little cheap filter, I'm pretty sure. Yes, ain't it just the cutest? I'm not even sure if I'm going to use it, but this is what it looks like. So we got this little air filter. It actually looks pretty good. Retunes Racing. What is a retune racing? I don't know. This is scratched up. Oh, no, it's not scratched up. It's got plastic on the top. Okay, I see. So that looks like a pretty big opening. So that is that. Then we have right here the 90-degree bend. I don't know where this goes. Oh, this has to be, this probably goes like that. That's the throttle body. This is the part that goes into the fender. And then you got your intake. Then my throttle position, my MAF sensor goes right there. Notice how big this is. This is 3.5 inches. So this should help with the airflow. I don't know what MAF sensor I'm going to use. I got a couple of them. I got a stock one and I got a Pro-Am. With the stock one is in a 55 millimeter housing. The Pro-Am is in a 80 millimeter housing. Obviously that's the one I need to use. So I might just be using this section for the that goes into the throttle body. The thing about the 80 millimeter MAF housing that I have is specifically fit for a K&N filter on the end. So if I went that route, I definitely wouldn't be able to use this filter because the opening is not big enough to fit around the end of the mass housing with the 80 millimeter. The one that's the Pro-Am 80 millimeter with the K&N filter. So right here we have, this is actually pretty sturdy. This is the plate. Sit that right there. Where this goes in there like that, and that is actually a pretty good tight fit. So that's a pretty tight fit. This is actually a pretty heavy piece of, that's pretty good, I do declare. What else do we have in the box? We have some hardware in here. I really don't want to open that because it has screws and whatnot. Fuck it, let's open it. This is what was in the bag. You got the silicone connectors. These feel pretty cheap, but they'll get the job done. This one feels pretty cheap. I don't even know where it goes. Oh, it goes on the big end, and this one goes on the small end, and the other one goes on the throttle body. Now what I don't know is what the hell, why is there shavings in the inside? I don't even know what this is. Do anybody know what this is for? I don't have a clue. Maybe it is to, it's not to mount. It's not to mount in there. I got two of them. I really don't know what those are for. Oh, hold on a second. We got some more parts. Boom. This is another brace. So this is another brace. I don't remember where that goes, but that may fit in there. No, it don't fit in there. Maybe it's like that, something, whatever. I don't really know what those are, and there's not any instructions. I'll have to look on eBay. Oh, my box going away. So anyway, this is my $55, $53 air intake that I got off eBay for the Foxbody Mustang. It goes in the fender. This is kind of small, but you know, I can always replace that. I could probably even use the one that I'm using now, which is a little bit bigger, but we'll try this one out first. But I still need to figure out how I want to, what math sensor housing I want to use. I was thinking about actually getting a 1995 Mustang housing. It's 70 millimeters, and the math sensor is 19 for 19-pound injectors. So from what I'm reading, that's a pretty good fit for the somebody more in the yard. That's a pretty good fit. And let's see, do I have my throttle body over here? Nope, it's not over there. So anyway, all in all, it looks to be pretty good quality, I do declare. Nothing really feels flimsy in the in this elbow. In this elbow, I'm gonna have to drill a hole for my nitrous if I don't use that plate. The main reason why I got this because I wanted a new one that, like I said, that was bigger, but also all my other ones have a hole drilled in it for my nitrous nozzle. And now I got that spacer. As soon as I get that fixed, I'm gonna run the nozzle behind the throttle body and hope I don't mess nothing up. So yeah, so if you're looking to get one of these eBay intakes for, I can't wait to test it. Maybe I'll do a video of me testing it and installing. But if you're looking to get one of these for your Foxbody Mustang or for any car. I think they're pretty much the same for the most part. It's only like 53 bucks. I may put a link to it in the description. But, you know, it's pretty good quality. These couplers could be a little bit better. But hey, yeah, it's okay. For $53, shit. It's just as good as these expensive ones that I got, which is a BBK and their Pro-M. Just saying. This your boy, J to the R. That's going to be it for this video. Can't wait to get it on. May put it on today. We'll see. Really don't feel like messing with it. Haven't really felt like messing with the car in a while. But I was really waiting on this stuff to come in. Yeah. This your boy, J Breeze Love of Cars. Go ahead and hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and get that done because I keep pumping out these videos. Peace.